Hey everyone, this is Pedro Melonblush. I'm here at the EMS Electronic Music School Berlin, and today I'm going to show you a cool trick to transform your own sounds into risers and hits, so you don't have to go around sample packs and you can start creating your own effects for your tracks. So I have here 4 simple sounds. They're all one-shots, okay, not loops. For these 2, I have synths, just a note, second synth, a hi-hat, and a snare. Now I have a return track here, return track A with a long reverb, okay, decay time, like 20 seconds, big size, an overdrive to give it a little bit of heat, and an EQ just to get rid of the low frequencies that we don't need. So now I'm gonna send all of these guys to the return track, and I have an audio track here to record whatever is going on in the return track. So you can reverse it, transpose it, and add it as you like. Recording is enabled, and now let's start recording these scenes here. Wait until it ends, okay, so you have the whole reverb tail to use. And the snare. So now that you recorded everything, you can even disable the return track. You don't need it anymore. And you can use all of these sounds as hits, risers, or different effects in your track. Let's try to reverse these by clicking on reverse and see how it sounds. It's a pretty cool riser. Let's see the snare. And there you go. By using this technique, you don't have to go through sample packs and use the same effects that everyone uses already. In fact, you're using your own sounds to generate effects of your own, and this brings a lot of originality to your track. I hope you liked it. Make sure to follow us for more tips like this, and I'll see you next time.